This is Gautami. Now I am going to explain about sonar. Sonar stands for sound navigation and for detecting and finding the objects underwater by means reflected the ultrasonic waves. The device is used in this method is also called as sonar. Now my friend Sundar will tell about sonar.
Good morning to all. Today I am going to explain about sonar. How does the sonar system work? Do you know anyone? Okay, no problem, I will explain. Sonar system consists of a transmitter and a receiver which are installed in the observation center on the board of the ship. From the observation center on the board of the ship, ultrasonic waves of high frequency 100 Hz are sent through the water in all directions from the transmitter. The waves travel in a straight line till they hit an object such as submarine, rocket ship, a school of fish. They reflect back to the receiver on the observation center. This is used in finding the sunken ships and catching waves.